Hello, my name is Connor Beers, and I will be talking about the final report from the first project of the semester. I did my first project on the rough terrain robot, and the rough terrain robot's overall goal was to autonomously navigate its way through a specific course designed to comply to all SAC competition regulations. The goals consisted of the following: robot assembly, including intelligence, power, sensors, and motor drivers; local navigation, essentially how to climb boulders; global navigation, how to navigate the course as a whole; system integration, navigation and debugging; and of course, the completion of the course. Early on stages, I switched from the Raspberry Pi microcontroller to the Arduino Uno microcontroller. And then I also sketched up a schematic diagram for the robot assembly to the processor and to all the other components. And then I grasped a knowledge of the programming logic in order to test the robot on the first half of the course. At that point, assembly of the robot can be begun, and then the testing of the robot can begin given the Arduino code that is provided. Implementation of sensors around the robot is crucial to make the robot move autonomously. So sensors on the front, sides, back, and underneath of it. So you want to see the boulders underneath of the robot, see the walls on the side of the course, and be able to see the finish line on the course. The object of this project was to be placed under a very strict deadline with a project that would be extremely difficult to finish in that given time. So the first half of the semester was essentially given to grasp a good understanding of project management and the techniques that go with it, and to understand how key organization is in moving forward with projects. Some of the project management concepts we learned were, how to stay to a project timeline, learned about the Gantt chart and the PERT chart, and also a 12-pole analysis. With that being said, we didn't get too far in our projects. In the rough terrain robot, a lot of the code is together, and essentially I have a diagram for the way the robot is to be set up to the microcontroller, and the way the microcontroller is to connect to the motors. And moving forward, really the only thing that needs to be done is to take the code provided and to test that robot to see if it can move, and then to kind of tweak the code so that the sensors can do their job once they are added to the system. Stay tuned for the project termination.